Welcome to the FreedomCare app. Today let's walk through how to delete a visit. Step 1. Log into the app using your caregiver code and password. Step 2. Once on the main screen, tap the Schedule button. Step 3. Select the patient you are looking to delete the visit for. For this example, we will delete a visit for Peggy Test. Step 4. Select the week you are wanting to delete the visit for. We are going to select future weeks as we want to delete a visit for next week. Step 5. Find the visit you are wanting to delete. Go ahead and tap it. Step 6. At the bottom of the screen there are two options, either delete or edit. Go ahead and tap delete. Step 7. Tap delete. You have now successfully deleted a visit. Not working a scheduled visit? Be sure to delete any unworked visits that week before adding or editing another shift. This helps prevent errors and ensures you stay within your authorized weekly hours.